I'm Esther Bush, President and CEO of the Urban League of Greater Pittsburgh. I am proud to serve my hometown in the areas of housing, family support, economic self-reliance, and leadership development on behalf of our children as well as our adults. We focus on economic self-sufficiency. What motivates me to come to work every day is the opportunity to assist individuals to become all that they can be in terms of us providing the support base that is needed and necessary. That could be anything from direct social services to motivation to really exposing people to opportunity. The Urban League does it all. We meet clients where they are and assist them to going where they need to be effective and successful. The most important values I think I demonstrate as a leader is one of taking risk, being a coalition builder, because I learned a long time ago this work cannot be done independent of others, and really not being afraid to let others take the credit. I am focused on getting the job done. I believe that one of my greatest accomplishments is the establishment of the Urban League of Greater Pittsburgh Charter School. I really have a list of things that I'm extremely proud of that the Urban League was able to pull off, that I was a part of. But starting a charter school, the first one in the city of Pittsburgh, as a former educator, really allows me to put my shoulders back and to make change because it proves what Black children can achieve. One of the most challenging parts of being a leader, dealing with the population of the African American community, is really trying to help people believe that they can be a part of the change. And being a part of the change is thinking differently and doing things differently and believing that your role can honestly change the way we are as a people. I would dare say that a lot of people do not know that I was interested in being a fashion designer when I first came out of high school, and actually went to New York City to interview with Macy's to see if I could get into one of their programs. So fashion design and tying that into me being a seamstress. The advice I would give to young people is to follow your dream and to never give up. I would also underscore the critical importance to know that failure is an opportunity to do it over again and succeed.